just like Daddy's. Wow. Come on, let's go check out this wing. Got a nice wing, dude. Adro. Look, there's an NSX right there too. Look how big the wheels are. Street Hunter wing. Oh, A91. Look at this. I've never seen an A91 before. Oh, whoa. This is a nice one. Look, right-hand drive. Nice Supra. Oh. Look how beautiful the NSX are. No, they are NSX. Let's go check it out. Look how beautiful these are, dude. There's a nice one too. This one got a big turbo.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow. The grill? Oh, they made it. Oh, wow. Oh, this is the one we saw a long time ago. See this? These are canards. Look how big the wing is. We got a roll cage. Whoa, come here, Skylar. It looks airlift suspension. Whoa, this is carbon fiber. Look how big the exhaust is. Supra. Wow. Wow, this is super humongous. Oh my goodness, it melted. Of course. Cars,
Bumblebee! Bumblebee! And a Mustang.
And a Mustang?
And a Mustang.
This is a Mustang. Look, this is Daddy's favorite car. Oh, this is a left-hand drive.
Wow.
This is a left-hand drive.
A Toyota Supra and a Toyota Supra. Daddy?
Whoa. Premier Edition Supra.
And the yellow.
Want to check out this Lamborghini? Whoa. Oh. Modified. Oh, I guess you're gonna find more of your favorite cars over there. Another NSX. Check out the NSX right here. Ooh. Check out this NSX. Why the doors are up? It's a really, really nice car. This NSX is super nice. From? Okay. There's always something up with the right eye, huh? Just like mine. Wow. Whoa, this one has a bunch of carbon fiber. Wow. Hey, you want to go there? Let's go. Come on. Nice. There's a Porsche? What? Beautiful NSX, dude. Was that a Porsche?
I found
with the
I didn't know about
Look.
this place. I didn't know.
that is a beautiful Porsche.
Mustang.
Do you want to look at Mustang?
That's a Mustang.
What is that?
Mustang.
Check it out. It could be McQueen.
Well, what they have the Mustang on it? Is that a Mustang?
Lightning McQueen.
Why Mustang?
Mustangs are cool, huh?
Mustang, 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 Mustang. I want a Mustang. Who makes that pop? Me.
You like the GTR?
GTR.
Oh! It's a GTST. Want to check it out?
GTR.
Oh, it's a GTS.
Looks like a Mustang. That looks like a Mustang. I'm glad we saw a Mustang. Mustang, Mustang, Mustang.
Want to check out this BRZ?
Corvette.
Mirage. Mirage. Yeah. Look, there's a cool car right here. Look at the lights. Oh, me too. And French. You want to check out the Supra?
Yeah.
Let's go. Wow.
What?
You want to check out the Supra? Who's that? Do you know who that dog is? Clifford, the big red dog. Look at this. Good. You like the GTR? Where? R35 Supra. Man, I like these Supras. These are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Supras. Wow. Well, he took it to the car wash. Hey, this is a rare color. This is a rare Supra. I need something like this. BMW. Astro, huh? He makes this Supra really nice, huh? And a sex right here. Wow. It's Porsche. Nice.